Welcome to Simply Pi Maths.
So this sum says there is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in first row, 21 seats in second row, 24 seats in third row, and so on. So at the very first place I can say here the sequence of number of seats are, or I can say is, what is the sequence here? So it's starting from 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in the second row, 24 seats in the third row, and so on. Correct? So is this an AP? Yes, it is an AP, right? Because all the numbers are increasing by 2, right? So I can say since this is an AP, this is an AP, therefore I can say what is my A and what is my D. Who is my A? A means first term, it is 20. And who is my D? D means difference. Difference is nothing else but T2 minus T1, right? Always we do a subtraction of second term with first term. So it is 22 minus 20, which is 2. Done. Let me read the question further. It says, find the number of seats in 15th row. That means I am just interested with the 15th row ka number of seats. So 15th row, that means what? I need to find the 15th term in it, right? Like this is the first term, second term, third term. So first row mein there are 20 seats, then there are second row mein 22 seats, in third row 24 seats, and the sequence is going, right? So in the sequence, what will be the number of seats in 15th row is the question. So they are asking us what is the value of T15. So in order to find T15, what should we do? First of all, we should recall the value of, recall the formula for Tn. What is the formula for Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? Here just put the values. What is A? A is 20 plus n minus 1. N means what? N means in this case it is 15. 15 minus 1. And D means the difference 2. And we are there with our answer. 20 plus 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 times 2. As per board mass, we should multiply first. So it should give me 28 and 20. 28 and 20 is 48, right? Yes. We are done. So how many seats are there in 15th row? There are 48 seats in 15th row. And they also ask us to find how many total seats are there in this auditorium. Total seat means what? The total number of seats, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many rows are there? All the row ka total number of seats. By the way, how many rows are there? Is there any hint for that? Yes, they are saying there are 27 rows. 27 rows means there will be 27 such numbers. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, and there will be 27 such numbers. So if I want to find a total of all the seats, what should I do? I should do a sum, right? Sum means S. S of what? Like S of what? S of 27 numbers, right? There are 27 numbers in this list. So I need to sum all the 27 numbers to get my answer. So I need to find S27. So let's recall the formula for Sn now. Sn's formula is n upon 2, right? Starting with n upon 2, n upon 2, then 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's use the formula over here. It says 27, right? So wherever you see n, just write 27. 27 upon 2. Here also I have an n, so I will just write 27. 27 minus 1. And let's put the remaining values. Who is A? Who is A? A is 20. So I will put 20 over here. D is 2. I will put a 2 over here. Now we will be a bit confused. I can't cancel this number, then what should I do? So let's leave it as it is. Let's not disturb it for now. Let's do the further calculation. 22s are 40. 27 minus 1 is 26. 26 times 2. Let's see what happens. 27 upon 2. 40 will remain 40. 26 2s are 6 2s are 12. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 52. Then what? Add these two numbers now. So 27 upon 2 is still there as it is. And it is left with what? Addition of this will be 92, right? 92. Now see, here this 2 can cancel this number. 2 1s are, 2 4s are 8, 9s carry, 2 6s are 12. So we are left with what? 27 and 46. Can you do a multiplication of 27 and 46 and tell me the answer? You have it right. It is 1242. So what is this 1242? It is the sum of all the 27 rows ka seats. Okay. So we have the answer for both. So I will wrap up my answer saying, therefore, number of seats in 15th row is, how many seats were there in 15th row? 48. So I will write is 48, and total number of seats is 1242. Done. So this sum says temperature of a week was recorded from Monday to Saturday and all the readings were in AP. So that means what? We have seen such sums before, right? Like 3 numbers in AP, 4 numbers in AP. But in this sum it says Monday to Saturday ka all the records are in AP. So Monday to Saturday means there are how many days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 6 days, right? Except Sunday. So that means I have to write a sequence of 6 numbers which are in AP. So I will say, since the temperatures are in AP, therefore let the temperature of Monday to Saturday be, let's say I am considering a temperature 8 degrees Celsius for a particular day, then what will be the temperature after that? It will be a addition of difference in this, right? A plus D. And what will be the temperature before this? It will be a subtraction of the difference from this, A minus D. Now if I ask you what will be the temperature after this, it will be simply like you are adding one more D to this, A plus 2D. By the way, how many days we are targeting for? Monday to Saturday, right? So let's say this is the first day, that is Monday's temperature. This is Tuesday's temperature, Wednesday's temperature, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I need 2 more days, right? Friday and Saturday. So I will add one more day over here, that is 2D plus D will become 3D. And let me add one more D to this, it will become 4D. So this is nothing else but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is Friday's temperature and this is Saturday's temperature. Okay, so let's begin now. Let's see what is the further steps given to me. Sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday. So there is some condition given to me, right? Let me write according to first condition. What is the condition given to me? Sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday. Sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday means Monday's temperature and Saturday's temperature. Pick it up and do a addition of both of them. A minus D, A plus 4D, and this is what? Sum, right? Where sum of temperatures. So that means we have to add them. Sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was means this was equal to what? This was equal to 5 degree Celsius more than. 5 degree Celsius means 5. More than means plus. What? Sum of temperature of Tuesday and Saturday. That means just pick up Tuesday's temperature, that is A. Sum of temperatures it says, right? Sum of temperature means again we have to add them. Whose temperature we have to add? Tuesday and Saturday. Tuesday is A and Saturday is A plus 4D. Simple as that. Now let's just wrap this up in a proper format. So A plus A will become 2A here. 4D minus D will become 3D with a positive sign because bigger number sign is plus. Anything left over here? No, right? A plus A is 2A, 4D minus D is 3D. And let's come over here. 5 will remain 5. A plus A, 2A. 4D, we can't do anything. There is no other D over here. So I will just write 4D as it is. And as per rule, we know on either sides of equal to, if you see same term, you can cancel them, provided they have same sign also. Here also it is positive, here also it is positive. So what am I left with? 3D is equals to 5 plus 4D. So obviously I can just keep the D's together. Let me bring this 4D over here. It will become 3D minus 4D is equals to 5. 3 minus 4 is minus 1, right? So it will become minus 1D is equals to 5. So simply I can remove this minus and I can put it over here. So it will become D is equals to minus 5. Okay, now let's see what else is given to me over here. So till here I am done. And now it says if the temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Wednesday is this thing, right? So I will say according to second condition. What does the second condition says? Temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius, right? So that means I will just pick up Wednesday's temperature, that is A plus D, and I will say it is nothing else but minus 30. But by the way, I already have the value of D with me, right? Can I put it over here directly? So I will say therefore A plus, what is D? Minus 5. So just to make it more proper, let me number it as 1 and let me say this came from 1. From 1 I know that D is minus 5, so I can use it over here. Since I can see two signs together, let me just put a bracket and separate them. And the next step I will open the bracket and make it plus minus minus. Minus 5 equal to minus 30. Bring this minus 5 over here, so I am left with what? A is equals to minus 30 plus 5. Ultimately plus minus is minus only. We will do a subtraction, it will give me 25 with the sign of bigger number, that is minus. So therefore I am left with A, which is minus 25 degree. Now what? I need to find the temperature of what? The temperature of the other 5 days. What do they mean by other 5 days? Because see, the temperature of Wednesday is already given to us, right? Minus 30. So they don't want Wednesday ka temperature. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They don't want this. They only want the remaining day ka temperature. So I will say temperature of Monday. Therefore, temperature of Monday. By the way, what is temperature of Monday for us? It is A minus D, right? So I will say temperature of Monday is A minus D. For me, A is minus 25. Then minus means minus. D, what is D? Minus 5. So I will put a minus 5. So since I can see two signs coming together, I will put a bracket. And this will become minus 25. When I open the bracket, it will become plus 5. Plus minus is minus. When we do a subtraction, it will give me 20 and sign of the bigger number minus. So since it is a temperature of a particular day, it should be degrees Celsius. Okay. Similarly, except Wednesday, I need to find temperature of all other days, right? So temperature of Tuesday. By the way, what is temperature of Tuesday in this list? Tuesday is simply A, right? A means what? A means whatever the value of A is given to us. I have to just write it that. And then as it is minus 25. So just remember, put degrees Celsius. Okay, let me do one more for you. Temperature of Tuesday and Wednesday, they don't need, right? Wednesday they don't need. They need Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thursday means what? A plus 2D. I will put it over here. Temperature of Thursday is A plus 2D. A means minus 25 plus 2 times D. D means what? D means minus 5. So it is minus 25. When I multiply 5 2s are 10. This minus will make this plus minus. So I am left with minus minus plus. When I add them, I will get 35 with the bigger number sign, that is minus 35. And since it is temperature, degrees Celsius. So can you give it a try for the other 2 days now? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday they don't want. I found Thursday. Now for you, the work is to find Fridays and Saturdays temperature using the same format. So what you will do is, for Friday and Saturday we have these two values, right? Just write these two values, put the value of A, put the value of D, and you will get the final answer.